Hey everyone, and welcome back to Data Recovery Advisor. If you have ever accidentally deleted important photos or videos on your Android device, don't panic. In today's video, we are going to show you some simple ways to recover those lost memories. So let's get started. The first place to check is Google Photos. If you're using Google Photos and have the backup options enabled, there's a chance your deleted files might be safely stored in the cloud. To recover deleted items, open the Google Photos app and tap on Collections at the bottom. Then tap on Bin. Here, you'll find the photos and videos that were deleted within the last 30 days. Simply select the items you want to recover, then tap Restore. These will be returned to your Google Photos library and will reappear in your phone's gallery. If your photos and videos were backed up to Google Drive or any other third-party cloud storage service, you can also recover them from there. Open the Google Drive app and search for your files in the Backup section. Once you have found the backups, you can restore the files to your phone. If you didn't have automatic backup turned on, this step might not be useful, but it's still worth checking. If you have permanently deleted your photos and videos from Google Photos and don't have the backup, don't worry. You can try using third-party data recovery software. For recovering deleted media files from an Android phone, the best tool is Doctor-Phone from Wondershare as per my testing. Here's how it works. Install the data recovery software on your computer, connect your Android phone using a USB cable, and let the program scan your phone's internal storage or SD card for deleted files. This program has a deep scan feature that go beyond the regular system search, so it can find the files that are otherwise difficult to recover. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of all the recoverable photos and videos. You can select the files you want to recover and save them back to your computer or Android device. Now that you know how to recover deleted photos and videos, let's talk about preventing future mishaps. To avoid data loss in the future, make sure to enable cloud backup options like Google Photos or Google Drive. Consider using automatic backups to keep your files safe and secure. You can also set your phone to back up to an SD card just in case something goes wrong with the cloud. So there you have it. Top ways to recover your deleted photos and videos on Android. We hope this will help you to get your memories back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips. Let us know in the comments if you have ever recovered deleted files and which method worked the best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.